Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to do a video walk around of the 2013 Ford Transit 460 2.2 TDCi 155 brake horsepower. As you can see, this one's got the Beavertail body and the hydraulic ramp. It's also twin rear wheels, it's rear wheel drive as well. Very rare model this one, it's ex-council, it's only covered 5,000 miles from new, so it is as close to being a new van as what you would hope to see. And we'll take a look around the vehicle to show you what it's got. Then we'll have a look at the back, the body and the cab. So as you can see, walking around, you can see we've got the underbody storage compartments here, which are lockable as well. Stabilising legs here, and you've got your hydraulic ramp here. As I say, it's a very rare van, this one. So the hydraulic ramp, 1.85 metres, it's also 2 metres wide as well. It comes with a wand remote to make life easier. And again, looking around into the passenger side, we'll head into the cab. So you have the underbody storage compartments on both sides. So, great bit of kit this. Obviously this vehicle here, it can be used for all sorts of things, such as carrying lawnmowers, cars, vans, plant, machinery. You've got the checker plate floor on the body. And again, plenty of room inside. So the ramp there, with it being the size that it is, you can drive straight onto that as well. So again, we'll take it up into the cab, show you what it's got on this one. So with it being sort of 5,000 miles, it is as clean as what you would hope to see. Look at the steps, footwells, floor mats, all your seats, upholstery, overhead lining, again all the dashboard etc. as clean as what you would hope to see. With it being a 460, you have your tachograph in the middle just to confirm the mileage there in kilometres. It really is very rare, this one. So lovely and clean inside. As I say, we'll just take a look around the outside of the cab as well. So going back to it, as I say, it's got such many different uses. It can be used to carry lawnmowers, plant machinery, even cars and vans. As we see, loading the van onto this one, pretty straightforward eventually, and we do get there in the end. So there you go, all loaded up. Loads of uses for this one. Lovely vehicles, just come in straight onto the website now. As I say, really rare, 5,000 miles, excellent condition all round. If there's anything else we can help you with, as I say, jump onto the website or feel free to get in touch. Our contact numbers are 01325 488 121. Ask for myself, Chris or Nick will be more than happy to help. Thank you very much for watching today. Cheers, bye bye.